So right now I'm in my backyard. There is someone weed whacking right there and it's windy, which normally, because I'm filming audio on my iPhone, would sound super crappy. But in this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn this audio into this super crispy, silky, like almost studio mic audio with one simple plugin. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to this video and welcome to my channel. This is the first episode of a series that I'll be doing called 2-minute tutorials. This one is insanely exciting and, to be honest, kind of mind-blowing. Just for reference, I'm gonna give you guys the audio of the actual clip from the camera so you can hear how loud the weed whackers were, and then contrast it with the audio that I got from my phone. But in this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn this audio into this super crispy, silky, like almost studio mic audio. So obviously it's an insanely powerful tool, so it should be super expensive, right? Wrong.
Not this time. It's totally made up. Pure fiction.
Actually, it's a completely free plugin from Adobe called Adobe Podcast. I'm honestly not sure how much longer it's gonna be free, so definitely use it while you can. And the process is actually incredibly simple, so I'm gonna switch over to my computer. So you're just gonna wanna search for Adobe Podcast. Go here to Adobe Podcast, come up to the page, and basically you just request access. And it doesn't really matter what you put in here. This is actually a demo of a full product that they're gonna have in the future. So like I said, I'm not sure how much longer it's gonna be free, but for now, this is how you use it. Hit submit and boom. You'll basically be taken to this page where you have two links, which is a mic check service and then an enhanced speech service. So you're gonna wanna go to that one, the enhanced speech one. The mic check is basically just a way to test your mic. So then you're gonna wanna take your audio. I had to convert this to an MP3, and how I basically did that was just put it into Final Cut and export the audio as an MP3, but there's a bunch of pretty easy ways to do that. So come in here, drag and drop the audio, and then this is just gonna enhance the speech, and sometimes it can take like a few minutes for a short clip. Boom, so that shows up, you hit download, and then now you have the enhanced audio version. If you're watching this video after Adobe has released the full software, I'm not sure if it's gonna be exactly the same, but it should be pretty similar. But that's it for this video. If you like this video, I know you're really gonna like this video that I just released. But that's it, thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you want me to do more videos like this, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. This super crispy, silky, like almost studio mic audio with one simple plugin. Cut to my office.